Struggling with serious paint defects or deep oxidation? Jescar GlanzMax Heavy Cut Compound is your ultimate solution for aggressive correction with a clean finish. Designed for fast and effective defect removal, GlanzMax tackles everything from 1200 grit sanding marks to deep scratches and heavy oxidation. For optimal performance, thoroughly clean and decontaminate the surface. Use a rotary polisher between 1000 and 1800 RPMs or a dual action polisher at speeds 5 to 6. Apply firm, even pressure with overlapping passes until the product begins to clear. No dusting, no oily residue, GlanzMax delivers true correction without hiding imperfections. For optimal gloss, shine, and long-term protection, follow with Jescar Ultralock Plus, our advanced SiO2 infused polymer sealant. Expect fast, aggressive cutting action and a clear, swirl-free finish ideal for pros, paint correction specialists, and perfectionists alike. Take your paint correction game to the highest level with Jescar GlanzMax Heavy Cut Compound, now available through authorized distributors.